Writing the digits. When you practice with the sandpaper letters in the children's house or at school, it usually happens quietly, but because you are practicing on the paper today, I will give you a saying for it. 1. First climbed up, then fell down. 2. It comes drawn in an arc from above and then to the right. 3. 2 halves of an egg. 3. 4. Left, right, down. 5. A neck, a big belly, and a cap on top. 6. Hex, 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 and the thread becomes the 6th. 7. To the right and diagonally down, you will love it. Now just one more line, that is the 7th. 8. Make an arc to the left and one to the right, then please cross exactly in the middle. 9. Oh, how nice, the 0 with a swing leg. Thank you very much for practicing.